This exercise is the DNS 3-month posture back breathing portion of the exercise. So I'm going to use this tape as a prop, and you might want to do something like this. Use a piece of tape or something and put it on your back so you can actually feel your back move. So hopefully you can see this move. I'm placing this on my low back. I'm going to lie down on the ground, and my elbows are out to the side. My wrists are basically lined up roughly with my shoulder joint. I place my forehead on the ground. Now, I'm going to lightly press my pubic bone into the ground, kind of pull my belly button towards my spine. You're going to want to focus on 2 motions of your breath here. Try not to bring your breath into your upper rib cage at all. You want to focus on a lateral movement here with the rib cage. The ribs are going to move out sideways here, and your low back is going to move towards the ceiling. This is both on the inhale. So your ribs go out to the side on the inhale, and your low back goes towards the ceiling on the inhale. And your pelvis will kind of go into a slight posterior tilt, but it's all coming from the inhale on your breath. So you have to maintain pressure of your abdomen, kind of slightly pull your belly button to your spine. And what you don't want to do is you don't want to tighten up in this area of your stomach when you're doing this exercise. Otherwise, you won't get the lateral expansion in the side of the ribs, and you won't get the back raising up towards the ceiling properly. So, placing this back on my back, lie on your stomach, forehead on the ground, place a slight pressure into your elbows of pushing down into the ground and kind of pulling towards your hips just a little bit. Pull your belly button to your spine and inhale. Looking for that lateral movement in the rib cage, and then exhale, just release the air. Try not to force the air out, just release it. Keep your belly button pulled towards your spine. Inhale. You're looking for that lateral movement of those ribs and the low back raising towards the ceiling. Okay, set a timer for 1 to 2 minutes and perform this exercise within that 1 to 2 minutes.